Yeah, I took an improv class last summer, so I'm pretty fun at parties.
A friend of a friend's boyfriend just made everyone laugh loud enough to permeate through my closed balcony door. Might have been pity laughter, or we're all trying to have a good time laughter, because I don't think he's all that funny. I wish he hadn't come. He wasn't even invited. Most of these people weren't. But I wanted to have a party. Something big enough to fill my apartment with noise and movement, and that means branching out. Saying yes when people ask, "Can I bring a friend?" Of course you can. Give this complete stranger access to my home and all of my possessions. Let me fill them up with chips and dip and cheap tequila.
Is this a shots kind of party?
Cheap, but still too expensive.
Not even the good kind.
I thought maybe I'd ask everyone to contribute a little. Venmo me like $5. Maybe even just 3. But what's more uncomfortable than asking people you barely know to send you money? Ugh. Having them in your apartment, I guess. It's raining, which is weird. Intimate. You don't spend rainy days with strangers, you know? You spend them by yourself, curled up in the living room with a warm cup of tea and a shitty movie you rented for $2.99. You spend them taking hot baths because even though you'd secretly like to get caught in the rain, soaking in a tub full of water you paid for is much more acceptable. Or you spend them with loved ones. Grandparents, old friends, people you admire.
Oh, shit.
Not a friend of a friend's boyfriend, who definitely just broke the only nice bowl you have. The one you use when guests are over. But you're way too exhausted by this whole ordeal to go back inside and play like it's no big deal. Like, you hated the bowl anyways. No, really. He did you a favor. It's raining, and my apartment is full of people who don't matter. They're laughing again, and I'm almost positive it's fake. Probably some joke about how, oh, he's really in for it now that he broke something. Nothing says comedy quite like property damage, after all. He really isn't that funny. I should get out of the rain. See if we need more chips.